Create 3D animations from videos using AI. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create 3D animations from videos using AI. So let's get into the video. So the software that we're going to be using is called DeepMotion, and over here, as you can see in the demo, we can see that there is an actual human behind the screen and the AI is imitating them. So this is what we're going to be using. Now it's a free software and the sign up process is very simple. When you sign up, they send you an email. You just have to verify your account and they'll send you an email, and after you verified it, you are good to go. And then they'll take you over here onto the payment platform, and over here you can see we have the freemium plan. Right now it's free. We have 60 credits for animation credits, 60 per month, which are free. We have single video length for 20-second clip. Output formats are over here, and we don't get any commercial licenses, so we can't use it for any video purposes or stuff like that. Other features as well. So it depends on you which one you want to go ahead and get, but this is for the annual one, and if you choose the monthly, then the prices increase, as you can see in this video. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and move on. We are logged in. Let's go to the portal. Click on go to portal. It will allow us to come over here to where we have to create our animation. Now over here, first we have to select the animate 3D, then we have body tracking, then we have VR tracking and physics engine as well. So give it a couple of seconds to load up and we'll continue with the video. And over here you can see you have a bunch of different options. You have animate 3D. Here is the option right here. For these we have to contact sales, but let's click over here and click on get started. No cartoon care, no loose clothes, and no multiple people. We need one video, so we have to add video, then we have to select model, and then job settings, right? So we click on next. You have to make sure that we get this and click on next. Now over here we need to add in the file. So this is the video right here. I'm just simply gonna go ahead and drop this video here. It's gonna analyze and tell me if it's good or not. All right, it says it's uploaded. Now we can just simply click on next. Now we select the character. So right now this is the default character that they have available, either the Roblox character or the default character. I'll choose the default character for now and click on next. And now is the job settings. Now we can go ahead and turn on all of these things. So let's just go ahead and turn this on. Motion, all of that looks good. Now we'll just simply click on create, and once you've done that, over here you will see all of these settings, and then you just simply click on start job, wait for it to finish, and you should be good to go. And here we go. As you can see, our animation is now ready to preview and download. So what we'll do now is we'll just simply click on this, hold down left mouse button to rotate the camera. All right, so as you can see, it's not perfect. I think it did it wrong. It got the hand gestures right. Everything looks good. Yeah. And once your animation looks good, once it's done, all you have to do is just simply click on the download button, and you can download it any way you want and just simply download it. Make sure you download it with the FBX, which is normal. Just simply click on download, and you can go ahead and input this within your video. So to do that, come over here onto Pexels and just simply download or search for an animation, right? So it can be anything. Let's say this, for example, right? We just simply download it, and once it's downloaded, so if you guys didn't know what these formats are, BVH, FBX, GLB, they're all for Blender. They're all facial rigs that you can open up in Blender. So if you actually want to download the MP4 version, of course, you're going to have to, upgrade your plan a little bit. And over here, you can see that max resolution is 1080p. Of course, custom character, you can create 3, but there's nothing over here. There's only one. Job priority is the lowest. So as you go up, your animations are going to be better as well. So over here is the output format. Now it says over here it's MP4, but there is no MP4 format, which is weird. I don't understand. It should have an MP4 format, but it doesn't, which is weird, because it only gives me 2 options. Okay, so here it is. So this is what I was supposed to do. So over here is the animation output. You just simply have to, if you want to have an animation, you want to download an animation, and then you can want to edit it in Blender, you have to download animation output. But if you just want video output, you can just simply select video output, and here it will tell you to download it within MP4. So just simply click on create. As you can see, there are no joints, all of that. See how this one looks. First was animation, this was MP4. All right, the MP4 version is now ready. Let's go ahead and check it out. So click on OK. So yeah, I mean, it's bending, but In Roblox, it doesn't look that good. Maybe I chose the other version, but yeah, this one looks good. Now we just simply have to download it. So here we go. MP4, click on download, and there we go. And now we can go ahead and plant it into our animation, and we should be good to go. So now we just need to edit the video, and there we are good to go. And that is how you do it. That is how you create 3D animations from any video using AI. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.